Namaste Bihar, especially the people of Bankipur Assembly constituency. Today I want to make a sincere appeal to the people of Bankipur, and this appeal is to all of you, my friends. The Bankipur seat is now vacant because former MLA Nitin Naveen has moved to Rajya Sabha, and now the biggest question is who will represent Bankipur. I think Mr. Prashant Kishore. So my humble appeal is to the people of Bankipur is this: the leader who was directly serving you is no longer there. So instead of choosing someone who may only work under someone else's direction, yes, why not choose a person who has the vision to build a new Bihar? Because the truth is, this world moves forward through ideas and vision, in my opinion. That person is Prashant Kishore. Again, I'm saying that person is Prashant Kishore. I request all of you to elect him once and send him to the Bihar Legislative Assembly so that one strong voice can challenge corruption, raise real public issues, and force both the government and the opposition to talk openly about Bihar's biggest problems. They must talk openly about migration. They must talk openly about the poor education system. They must talk openly about Bihar's weak healthcare system. But if there is one issue that needs the highest priority, it is education and migration. Because if education becomes strong, the youth of Bihar will not only succeed in India but anywhere in the world with dignity, with respect and leadership. That is why I believe it is extremely important to elect an educated and visionary person from Bankipur. Bankipur is an urban constituency. There are educated and aware voters there. That is why I believe only a strong and capable leader should contest from this seat. And in my opinion, Prashant Kishore stands at the top. I also make videos in English for one reason: to create an educational environment in Bihar. Even a small effort can influence thousands of people. And with your support, this movement can spread across the entire Bihar. So please share this video across Bihar. Create an atmosphere for education, for English learning, and for a better Bihar. Bihar was once known as the land of knowledge, and I strongly believe Bihar can become the center of education once again. Thank you. Please share this message as much as possible. Please share this video. Please.